Today, let's look at fitting a brand new courtesy lamp in the Amazon, and it's the same in the 544, isn't it? So the Amazon and 544, two failure modes. One which doesn't need the whole unit is that the lens cracks, and that's really irritating. Emma, can we get the new lens by itself?
Not as far as I know.
Nope, apparently we can't. We could at one point, but we can't anymore. So, but since the other failure mode, which is very common, is that the ball and spring disappears from the switch, that usually people have to replace the whole unit anyway. And